Welcome back to the Half Thumb Homestead. Today we're going to fabricate a door panel from scratch. I replaced this air conditioner because it was leaking. Internally, see the grossness. And this one was down here because this had a bunch of bracketry and stuff on it. And now we're going to do away with it. So we're going to use this as our bottom, but we have to fabricate the top. And to do all that, we're going to use cardboard. So follow along. Let's have some fun. Alright, to do this, we need a couple tools to start with. Razor blade, a pair of scissors. Obviously going to take our box, cut our box open. I'm going to start with this big piece here. Probably going to need tape. And a pencil. There's some tape, a pencil, and a marker. For those of you out there who are curious, using a razor blade and scissors is not how I cut my thumb off. In case you're wondering. I'm going to start with this. Try and get our corners here. So once I take this off, I'll lay it on a piece of wood, I'll cut it out, and then I'll use the old one as a template to cut the door handle out. And then I'll cut a little hole right here, like a mouse hole, to get to the door lock. There it is. Sorry. So the GoPro shut off again. So here's the finished product. Got the handle cut out here in case I need to escape, get to the lock. We can plug it in and see how beautiful it looks, but just a few screws to hold it on. Hardest part's getting the cardboard cut out, and you gotta, you know, trim it. Half thumb out.